Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook elk ground meat. Elk is a wonderfully lean protein, but its low fat content means it can dry out if not prepared correctly. To ensure a juicy result, consider adding a tablespoon of olive oil, butter, or even some bacon fat per pound of meat. Always let your ground elk come to room temperature before cooking for a more consistent cook. When shaping patties, handle the meat gently to keep it tender. When it's time to cook, heat a skillet over medium heat. Add your ground elk, breaking it apart with a spatula as it browns. Because elk is so lean, it cooks faster than beef, typically taking 6 to 9 minutes per pound. Be careful not to overcook it. For safe consumption, always aim for an internal temperature of 160 degrees Fahrenheit, which you can check with a meat thermometer. Elk meat boasts a distinct, mild, and slightly sweet flavor with earthy undertones, making it less gamey than other wild meats. To enhance its natural taste, season liberally with simple ingredients like salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. For a more adventurous palate, consider adding bold herbs such as rosemary, thyme, or even a touch of juniper berries. These flavors complement elk beautifully without overpowering its unique character. Ground elk is incredibly versatile and can be used in almost any recipe that calls for ground beef. It shines in dishes like flavorful tacos, hearty chili, juicy burgers, or savory meatballs. To maintain its tenderness and prevent dryness, especially in longer cooking recipes, remember to add moisture. Simmering your cooked ground elk in a rich sauce or broth will keep it succulent and delicious, offering a healthier twist to your favorite meals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.